Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today this is a video about how to change your audio source. So this includes fixing sound problems, and things that can happen is that when you plug it into an external speaker or connect, it wouldn't sound, or maybe the sound's just coming out of your computer speaker, not from the external speaker. So those are some examples of problems. Anyway, so let's dive right in. So this is the audio source video, obviously. I'm gonna make this full screen. There we go. And then today we are gonna change the audio source slash sound output. So you have this on Windows 10. There will be an arrow if you have an external audio source. You just click on that, and then yeah. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will talk about how to change the audio source output on Windows 10 and Windows 11 too. We hope this video helps you out since this is actually a common problem. So on Windows 10 it's very easy. You must have the external source connected. So first you'll have your taskbar. You'll have a sound button here. If you don't, you have to click on the arrow and find it. But most people, it's over here. You just click on that. You'll find this will pop up. You'll have something like this, and the output source listed over here. Which in this presentation it says my regular built-in laptop speakers. So you'll have to click on that arrow, and then you can choose your other source, which is my headphones. It should automatically switch to that source, but yeah. And then you click on it, and then you have switched it. And then you could try playing audio and see if it works. If it doesn't work, maybe it's in a different source. The source should be obvious. So if you plug in a smartboard, it should say smartboard or projector or something like that. So as you can see, I have done it. It shows. I'm gonna click on next. Windows 11, pretty similar, but instead the charger icon, the sound button, and the other thing, and the Ethernet, I think that's combined. So you have to click on that. This was a picture from Google, so it's blocking my mouse. Sorry about that. You click on that, and then you have to click on this arrow. This will pop up, and then you click on this arrow, and then you select your different source, which in this case is this one, and then that. So this is a pretty simple video actually. If you have any more problems, you can write it down in a comment section. Hopefully this video help you out. See you in the next video, guys.